Hey guys, we'll do a quick Shogun update. So the Shogun is almost complete. We fixed almost everything. If you see, half of the meter is already here. Then I have fixed the mirrors. I bled the brakes so it has a bite now. Then connected the clutch. Wiring is almost complete. Then just place the seat like that. I have also corrected the body line, so it is not anymore twisted, because most of these panels were not present on this bike, so I had to buy them from various places. So that is the reason why most of the panels have a slight misalignment. So the engine is completely sealed. Almost everything else is also done. So technically speaking, this bike is good to start riding. The mudguard is just placed like that. It is not fixed. The main reason for that is somehow the width of the front end reduces the moment you put the Apache front end, because of which the mudguard is not fixing properly. So what I have planned to do is I plan to drill holes in the mudguard and make it work. So that is the plan. The crash guard is fixed. I always like this kind of a crash guard, and I wanted to see how it looks on a Shogun. So that is going to happen. So it's almost 12 o'clock now. So I'm not going to work anymore on this today. Maybe I'm hoping if I get some time this week I'll finish it. But what kept me busy this weekend was this Tiger. So I have diagnosed the problem in the Tiger, so I actually forgot to put something very minute in it. So once that is fixed, the Tiger will start roaring again. So that's the update. Everything else is taken care of. And yeah, I have to get 2 new indicators because it is out of stock almost everywhere in Trivandrum. Other update about my workbench. I actually got a vise. This is something that I was longing to get for a very long time, and it is little cluttered now because still rearranging everything. So once it is arranged, I have a proper workbench. So I've already put this vise to good use. Sorry about the low light. I was able to get rid of some screws and bolts which were stuck. Updates will come on the RX-Z pretty soon. So I just did an overall check and I found out that there is not much to be done on this. Only thing that we need to do is procure the body parts and do the engine. Cosmetically it is not that bad, so we do not have to strip it down to bare metal. So that looks like a quick restoration. The RD is running absolutely fine as of now, so it's waiting for its paperwork. Once the paperwork is completed, then I'll start riding it. So that's about it. So the Shogun will be fixed this week, and hopefully we'll start riding it by the end of the week. I'll get all those stickers which I've planned by this week. Yeah, one major update. If you guys want to do the front disc brake conversion, you cannot use the Apache RTR hose. This hose is very short in length, so I actually bought a hose from the Gladiator, which is little longer. So if you see, it is like pretty stretched. So next time probably I'll get a hose from a Pulsar series or a Bullet, because those are little longer. But as of now this works well. It's biting properly. And I also painted the caliper and everything using a spray can, and surprisingly the output is pretty decent. So that's the update. I'm going to call it a day or maybe a night, and then we'll do more updates in the coming days. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe the channel. If you like what I do, please like, share the video. See you again in the next video. Thank you.